And in our technology report, a leading fintech company in Zambia marks a significant milestone to empower African individuals and businesses. All this and much more coming up on today's Africa 54. A leading Zambian financial technology company, PremierCredit, is expanding into new markets and rebranding itself as eShandi. This marks a significant milestone in its journey to empower African individuals and businesses. Tech correspondent Paul Ndiho joins us now with more. Hello, Paul.
Hello, Esther. Originally a microfinance institution, eShandi has now expanded into Zimbabwe, South Africa, and Kenya. The company's portfolio includes digital loans and mobile banking. Its primary focus, however, is promoting financial literacy. I spoke to Chilufya Mutale, co-founder and the chief visionary officer of and expressed their interest about crossing the 1 million customer subscriptions and what's in store for eShandi.
As PremierCredit, we were a financial technology company primarily operating in Southern Africa, particularly in Zambia. And our company has evolved from providing traditional financial services to evolving into building a Pan-African challenger bank, a technology-enabled company that focuses on mobile-first financial services, leveraging off advanced technology using AI and machine learning to really simplify the lending process for our customers, and then providing value additional services such as payments, insurance, investment services for our customers. And we're so happy that we've crossed the 1 million customer mark from the time we started. I think from the last time we had a meeting with yourself, we only had less than 10,000 customers. And now we have over 1 million customers that are accessing our financial services from our platform and in multiple markets across Africa.
You know, sometimes we do these things and we don't know how much of an impact it's going to have. But if I hear you correctly, you seem to suggest that the media coverage that you've gotten over the years has helped to play a role in your expansion, reaching out to more customers.
With the support of Voice of America, basically what it created was an amplification of our brand, showing visibility of our capabilities as a brand. We're not known as a brand that's just primarily operating in Zambia, but a brand that is building a challenger bank for small businesses across Africa. Voice of America does not just amplify one segment that is domiciled in America, but it also amplifies what is happening across the landscape in Africa, particularly also financial services, a space where we play as PremierCredit. So even as we were growing as a brand, and that has evolved into eShandi, you will find that our visibility has expanded because we're now known as a brand that's operating across Africa and not just Zambia.
I'm glad to hear that at least on our end, we played a role in your long-term goals, expanding and reaching out to the entire continent. I could not be more proud of our team and your team as well.
Thank you so much.
At the time, you are really engaging a lot of women. You wanted women to use your services. From what you're saying, your company has grown to the extent that you are looking at over 1 million customers who are patronizing your services.
Yes. So it's not just small business owners, but also individuals, larger SMEs. We now cover larger enterprises, basically, that are looking to expand into multiple cities. We are also growing into the payments industry. Basically, we want to support our customers with not only just working capital for their businesses, but creating the payment rails that allows them to trade very cost effectively to enable their businesses to grow in a very sustainable manner, creating a financial future for themselves. Hence the rebrand for PremierCredit to eShandi, which essentially means mine. We're giving the power back to the people. So we create an enabling platform for both small businesses to actually thrive, to expand to other markets, and we're supporting people in a multinational sphere.
You talked about how you are leveraging technology, new technology, AI, to provide these services. To what extent are the people you are engaging are using some of these technologies for you to be able to serve them properly?
You will find that some of our customers who may want to access, for example, loans from us, working capital to grow their businesses, they don't have any financial records. But what they do have is transactions on their mobile money accounts. They are able to then, we are able to then, using that data, score our customers, predict their repayment behavior, and lend money to them seamlessly. We use last mile technology that is backed by an in-house credit scoring engine that's powered by AI and machine learning that basically uses various data points, various information, puts that all together to then predict the probability of default of our customer, and also predict basically and estimate very accurately the credit worthiness of this customer and their ability to repay. So what you find that is the customer is able to trade from their market stand with their small business without all the information that we're able to gather on this customer. We're able to give you within minutes access to financial services just on the tap of the phone, on the tap of a button, whether you have access to internet, whether you are in the remote area, whether there is no brick and mortar, there is no bank in that location, you are able to access a financial service from us.
Chilufya Mutale is the co-founder and the chief visionary officer of the eShandi. That's our tech reporter. Back to you, Esther.
Thank you so much, Paul. Be sure to join Paul Ndiho each Wednesday on Africa 54 for his technology report.